Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a refreshing summer drink that is perfect for hot days and outdoor gatherings. Say hello to this very refreshing watermelon lime spritzer. Now, the first thing to do is to slice the lime. You can also use lemon if that's what you have or prefer. Ensure to wash them properly with some salt and vinegar before you start slicing. So the lime offers a boost of vitamin C and antibacterial properties. So it is very essential for this drink. You can also opt for lemon just like I said. And please don't forget to deseed when you're done slicing so you can enjoy your drink, okay? Next ingredient is watermelon. I'm going to be slicing them up as well and then the seed. Watermelon provides hydration and antioxidants. And also note that you can opt for other kinds of fruits like pineapple, golden melon, or any other fruit. For me, I would always prefer to use fruits that have more water content in them. When prepping, remember to take off the back as well because we won't be needing them for this drink, okay? After slicing the lime and chopping up the watermelon, the next thing is to assemble them all together. So first I'm going to put some of the watermelon into my cup and then some slices of the lime. Mash that up until you're sure that you have a lot of liquids out of them. Then you can add in more limes if you choose to. Now you can pour in the Sprite, and just like that, our watermelon lime spritzer is ready. This is so easy to put together and it is so refreshing. I hope you all get to give this a try. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, drop your comments and subscribe if you're yet to. Also, tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video.